Hello, this is Sandy from Komatco. We focus on construction machinery and vehicle exportation for 13 years and export to more than 120 countries. Today we are going to LUTONG Factory in Luoyang and check machines for our plant. Okay, let's go. Behind us is LUTONG motor grader. The model is PY180C. You can see the machine is very big. The length of the machine is 8,065 millimeters, and the operating weight is 16 tons. Now I will show you the blade of motor grader. The length of the blade is 3,965 millimeters, and the height of the blade is 610 millimeters. The machine weighs standard components. The engine is famous brand Cummins. Rated power is 180 horsepower. The grader has some options like the rear record. You can add the options according your needs. Okay, it's very happy to show you the LUTONG grader. If you are interested in construction machinery, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.